Hi, I'm Natasha Denona. I am beyond excited to show and introduce you my new Mini Glam Eyeshadow palette. This is a tutorial where I want to show you how to create a very simple everyday look and then how to elevate it in simple steps to an evening glam using my new Mini Glam Eyeshadow palette. For the first look, the day look, I'm going to start off with Golden Flesh. I'm using a dense brush, picking up a little bit of the product. It's so pigmented, so you don't need a lot of it. And you press it onto the whole lid. And then with Harlow, I'm using now a fluffier brush just to blend a little bit the crease and to diffuse the eyeshadow. I'm using circular motions, really following the natural shape of the crease in the inner corner, going up and then downwards when you go out. Next, I'm using Seed with a small definition brush. And I want to define the upper lash line. I'm pressing the dark eyeshadow really closely to the lash line and smudging it in between the roots. And then when I finish defining, I'm blending it slightly upwards. Now I want to show you how to elevate your everyday look to an evening glam. So I'm picking up again Seed, the dark shade, and we'll connect the upper lash line with the lower one just to give a beautiful elongated look to the eye. Always make sure to thicken the line on the outer corner. This will lift the eyes. And what I also like about smudging darker shades on the outer corner of the lower lash line is that makes the eyes appear bigger. So it's great for smaller eyes. Now with Anjo, which is a super foiled metallic eyeshadow, it's a medium cool toned brown. I'm smudging this really onto the center of the lower lash line. This will give like an evening sultry look to the eye, but still give a wonderful glamorous finish because of its beautiful soft buttery texture. And for the final touch, I'm going to use Faye for the inner corner for this ultimate touch and pop of glam. Faye is the perfect eyeshadow for any glam look. It has a warm champagne, glistening and glittering sparkling crystals. So you can pop it onto your lid, also for a super glamorous finish. Or you can also pop it onto the center brow bone just to give a spot of light, and it gives this beautiful glow connecting the eye to the cheekbones.